Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing a method that's allowed me to consistently earn $960 every single day. Yes, you read that correctly, $960 every day by selling ebooks online. The best part? You can do this too. I'm going to break down the exact steps I follow to create ebooks from scratch and how you can use the same method to achieve similar results. My journey with Google Books. As you can see on my screen, I've made a total of $29,760 since July 15th, selling various ebooks online through Google Books. When I first started, I wasn't making nearly as much, but over time, I've refined my process, and now I make 3 times the amount I did when I started. This method is simple, and the best part? It's cumulative. The more books you publish, the more money you make. I call it the infinite money glitch, but feel free to name it whatever you like. The idea is simple. Once you set up your system, it can work for you 24/7. So let me show you how it works. Step 1. Get registered on Google Books. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Google Books, or simply search for Google Books on Google. Once you're on the Google Books site, search for Google Books Partner and find the link that says Google Play Books Partner Center. Click that link, and you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up as a self-published author. If you don't have a business, no problem. You can simply enter your name. For instance, I entered Philip Reese. You'll also need to enter your country and ensure that your country is eligible to sell books on Google Books. If not, don't worry, I've got resources that can help you get around that. Once you've entered all the required details, you'll need to create a payment profile, link your bank account, and fill in any necessary tax information. After that, you'll be all set to start publishing your books and receiving payments. Step 2. Find a profitable topic. Now that your Google Books account is set up, it's time to start creating your ebooks. The most important part of this is choosing a profitable, evergreen topic. You want to create books that will sell consistently over time, not just books that are trendy for a few weeks. I recommend using Google Trends and Google News to find trending topics. For example, books related to current events like the 2024 Olympics can do well, especially when paired with niche topics, such as religion and the Olympics. This type of content is in high demand during specific times, and it can be a great way to tap into a hot topic. You can also look into topics like technology, business, or even self-help. These categories are timeless and often see steady sales. Step 3. Create your ebook. When it comes to creating your ebook, the key is to niche down. For instance, if you're creating a book about ChatGPT, don't just make a generic how to use ChatGPT book. Instead, narrow it down. You could create something like ChatGPT for dentists or ChatGPT for seniors. By doing this, you make your ebook more appealing to a specific audience. To generate the content, I use a tool called ChatGPT. It's an AI that can write ebooks for you. You can use ChatGPT to generate a 20-page ebook by simply asking it to write about a specific topic. I've created ebooks on various topics this way, and it works like a charm. For example, I created an ebook titled ChatGPT for Dummies for people aged 60+. I simply asked ChatGPT to generate the content, and it created the entire book for me, complete with an optimized title and a chapter outline. Once ChatGPT generates the content, you can review it and make any necessary changes. If you feel that a chapter is too long or too short, simply tell ChatGPT to adjust it. If you want to add or remove any sections, you can do that too. This flexibility is fantastic, especially when you're creating ebooks quickly and at scale. Step 4. Edit and format your ebook. After generating your ebook, it's time to clean it up. Sometimes, the formatting isn't perfect, so you'll want to go over the content and make sure it's organized in a way that's easy to read. You can copy the content into a Google Doc or another text editor, make adjustments, and then export it as a PDF. Once the content is formatted and looks good, it's time to add any necessary disclaimers. For example, you should add a disclaimer saying that the book was created with AI assistance. You can easily generate a disclaimer using ChatGPT. Here's a simple example. Disclaimer: this book was created with the assistance of artificial intelligence. While efforts have been made to ensure the accuracy of the content, it is for informational purposes only. The authors and AI tools used do not guarantee the completeness or accuracy of the information and are not liable for any errors or omissions. Step 5. Create an ebook cover. Next, you'll need an attractive cover for your ebook. The cover is crucial because it's the first thing potential buyers will see. You can ask ChatGPT to create a cover for your ebook based on its content. Just let it know the size and context, and it will generate something appropriate. If you're not happy with the first cover it creates, you can ask for another design until you get something you like. Alternatively, you can use design tools like Canva or even AI-based image generators to create a unique cover that matches the theme of your ebook. Step 6. Publish your ebook. Once your ebook is ready and formatted with a cover, it's time to publish. Upload your ebook to Google Books through the Partner Center. Google Books takes a 30% commission on each sale, and you'll receive 70% of the revenue. You'll be paid whenever someone buys your ebook. Step 7. Promote your ebook. Now comes the fun part, promoting your ebook. If you want to make more money, you'll need to promote your book. Fortunately, Google Books already has a massive audience, over 3 billion people across more than 75 countries. Even without any promotion, your ebook can start selling just by being on the platform. However, if you want to increase your sales, I recommend doing some self-promotion. You can write blog posts, share your ebook on social media, or use SEO techniques to drive traffic to your ebook listing. For example, you can write a blog post about your ebook's topic and link to your ebook on Google Books. This method can generate free traffic and help increase your sales. The more you promote your ebook, the more likely it is to sell. For example, I make around one sale every 15 minutes, which adds up to $960 a day. By setting my ebook price at $9.99, I've found that it's a fair and competitive price that people are willing to pay. So there you have it. That's how I make $960 every day by selling ebooks on Google Books. By following these steps, from signing up for Google Books to creating and promoting your ebooks, you can start earning money too. The key is consistency and promoting your ebooks to a broad audience. Remember, the more books you publish, the more money you can make. It's all about finding profitable topics, creating great content, and leveraging platforms like Google Books to reach a global audience.